Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Firmansyah. I'm from class 4C. And in this video, I would like to explain about assimilation rules and dissimilation rules. Before I'm going to the topic, I would explain about my group would to explain about the rules of phonology. There are some topics. The first is assimilation rules, and the second is dissimilation rules, and the third is feature changing rules, and the fourth is segment insertion and deletion rules, and the fifth movement or metasis rules, and the sixth is function. Okay, let's go to my topic. The first is assimilation rules. Assimilation rules is some change where some phonemes or typical consonant or vowel change to be more similar to other nearby sounds. It is a common type of phonological process across language. Assimilation can occur either within a word or between words. It occurs in normal speech, and it becomes more common in more rapid speech. In some cases, assimilation causes sounds spoken to differ from the normal correct pronunciation of each sound in isolation. In other cases, the changed sound is considered canonical for that word of praise. For an English example is handbag. Canonically, handbag is often pronounced Hamburg. In rapid speech, Hamburg. This is because the M and B sounds are both bilabial consonant and their places of articulation are similar. Whereas the sequence D, B has different places but similar manner of articulation. Voiced stop and is sometimes elided, causing the canonical N phoneme to sometimes assimilate to M before the B. The pronunciation handbag or handbag are, however, common in normal speech. By contrast, the word cupboard, historically a compound of cup and board, is always pronounced cupboard and never cupboard, even in slow, highly articulated speech. The second is dissimilation rules. In phonology, particularly within historical linguistics, dissimilation is a phenomenon whereby similar consonant or vowels in a word become less similar. For example, when a or r sound occurs before another in the middle of a word. In Rhotic dialect of English, the first tend to drop out, as in berserk. For berserk, surprise, particular, and governor. This doesn't if affect the pronunciation of government, which has only R, but English government tends to be pronounced government, dropping out the first N. Example: in English, R deletion when a syllable is unstressed, it may drop out altogether, as in deteriorate for deteriorate and temperature for temperature, a process called haplology. Haplology. When the R is found in brew, it may change to G. February for February. Defibrillator for def for defibrillator. Tooth. This may be due to analogy or similar words. Okay, back. Maybe I'm got some mistake. The it may in February, not by brew. It may change to G. So February, like that. And to for the flip, this may be due to analogy with similar words such as January and calculator. Compare nuclear, which many have arisen through an analogous process. Maybe that's all for me, and the next material will explained by my friend. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.